Hello, this is the Fun with Electronics Project 6 Part 1.A Hardware Verification. So in this part, we're building this circuit, which is supposed to detect AC power. And it does that by putting this inductor next to a AC power line. And basically the alternating current here is going to cause some voltage to go across this, which is going to give us voltage here and turn this transistor on. I had to use a Darlington amplifier a couple of times, and basically here's what that looks like. So we have from the amplifier, we have this guy, and his collector goes up to VCC, and then I have his emitter going down to the base of the next one, and I had to do this setup a couple of times in order to get enough gain to get the circuit to show anything. So I actually have it running right now, and I got to be a little bit careful with where I touch the gator clips because it flips out if I touch too high on it. But we can see that currently the LED is off, which is good. It's what we want. And then there's my first amplifier stage, there's a second, and then it goes into the third one, which has kind of the resistor and the LED. I think I chose a 2K just because it was easy to find. And then 680 ohm to try and reduce false activations. Obviously not completely working because we can see it turning on just a little bit here. This room's staticky. There's not a ton I can do about that. So we can see I have the LED and the probe in frame. If I go over to this guy, which is a AC power line, we see just a little bit of activation in the LED. And when I move them away, we see the LED kind of turns off and then false activates, probably because I'm gripping too high. Yeah. Then you get a little bit of activation and none. And same thing with my computer charging, which you can't see. That's awesome. Yeah, it's not very bright, even with two Darlingtons. Cool.